Hello, I'm Janie Parrish with the Wadsworth Area Chamber of Commerce, and you were also lucky to be here with our girlfriend Felicity Wilson, who I work with at the Chamber, and Felicity is our Member Benefits Coordinator. And we have got something to tell you about that's going to bring lots and lots of joy to your holiday season this year. So thank you, Felicity. Felicity's been awesome helping us get planning on this fun event that we're going to have. Okay, so let's give you the lowdown on this, and then we'll figure out how to tell you everything, and without me being like all over the place, because that's what happens sometimes. Okay, so Felicity, we're excited about this.
Absolutely.
Yes, and what's the name of this event?
We are having Memorial Lightfest, and it is 90 degrees and July outside right now, but we're already thinking about Christmas. So we are having the Memorial Lightfest at Memorial Park, and it's going to kick off on December 7th with a celebration at 5 p.m. and then it'll go through January 2nd. So just a drive-through whenever you feel like it in the evenings. Take the kids and just look at all the lights.
Oh boy, so let's give you some details, okay, which was a great overview. So let's do some details. Okay, so first we need the community to participate with us in this. And we do have a lot of other people and community organizations who are participating to make this a successful event. So we know that many other communities have a drive-through and lighting, and so we thought, gosh, let's do it for Wadsworth because we have that beautiful Memorial Park. The city is working tirelessly on making it even better, and so we thought, let's use that park for a drive-through because it seems like it's perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to offer the community a chance to decorate a Christmas tree, and that will be already standing on our grounds for you, and you can make it into a theme of your choice. Like I know those Lion Club members have ideas already about the different lions that they could make into a Christmas tree. Okay, so we partnered with, let me tell you our partners because this is very important. Lowe's in Wadsworth, and Mike Ludwig is the general manager there at the store, and he has done amazing things for our city. And so he hopped right on board when we talked to him about this Memorial Light Fest, and he was excited about it. His employees are excited about it. So then we have people from the city who are working with us, from the library, from WCTV, from the schools. We checked with the fire department and the police department that we wanted to make sure we were doing everything right safety-wise, and so we're rolling along. And we do have community volunteers too. Okay, so Felicity, tell us how this is going to start from Lowe's.
Okay, Lowe's is going to, they're partnering with us to give us about a 7-foot fresh cut tree, and you will get 3 white LED light strands and the stand, and they are going to stake them down for us. So that is wonderful. We don't have to worry about them blown over in the wind. So for $125, you'll get the tree, the stand, staked down, and the lights.
Okay, but then also there has to be something else, since
yes,
because we got to make sure we know who's sponsoring those trees.
So for our friends at Wolf Creek Graphics, they are making signs for us. So everyone will get, what size is it?
It's probably 48 by 82. Okay, I'm teasing.
No. Just 24 by 18, and it's one of the white corrugated signs, and you will have your option of just putting your information on there, but you can also add your logo. So on our application form, it has all of the necessary information to turn that in to us.
And it really doesn't have to be a business or an organization. You can do it as a family and put in honor of your family or in memory of someone, which would be a great way for those people who aren't with us any longer to memorialize them at the holidays.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're excited about this, and this will be where you come in from Biddinger's. That's how I know where anything is in Wadsworth is. I start at Biddinger's. And so you'll come in on the Biddinger side, which is Alt Street, and then you'll go around by the pond, and the tree should start about there. And then you'll be able to just drive through slowly and then see all the names on the signs. And we were lucky to want to begin for this year, because with all the work down at Memorial Park, the city has been able to offer us electricity so that everything is lit up. And we want it to look like a winter wonderland. Yes, but that's just not all of it. Stay tuned for more. So tell us about our kickoff event.
Yes, so our friends at the library are sponsoring our kickoff event. They have a line to Santa and Mrs. Claus, and we know that they will be there. So
The real ones.
The real ones, yes. They have, high friends in high places.
That's right.
So so as you drive through, starting at Alt, you'll end at the pavilion, and we'll have a fire going and Santa and Mrs. Claus there, and we're also going to have cookies and hot cocoa. So, and all of this is free to the community.
Right. There will never be a charge no matter when you go through. This was very important to our committee, that anybody and everybody can go through without paying per car or however it is.
Right.
But the kickoff is only on December 7th, and then the rest of the time it will be lit from 5 to 9 or 5 to 10 on the weekends. Right. And so when you have those out-of-town guests and you want to show them another aspect of Wadsworth, perfect way to do that. Or if you can't get the kids to sleep, put them in the car and drive around and
just keep looping around.
Just keep looping around till you hear some snoring in the back seat. Yeah. So we're really excited about bringing the community together to do this. And now, Felicity, tell us how you can participate in this.
So we will have advertising on all throughout Wadsworth, but contact the chamber office. You can message me at admin@wadsworthchamber.com, ADMIN, and or call us at 336-6150. We'll give you this sponsorship form, and it's just a simple one to let you know, to let us know who is in and what you would like your sign to say. And it has all the details about when setup and tear down is and all that good stuff. So.
And we want you to know this is not a fundraiser for anyone. It's not a fundraiser for the chamber, for the city, or anybody involved. This is all strictly a community event. And we just want to make sure that people enjoy the holidays more than they have in the past. And also, that weekend, that Friday, is First Friday for Main Street Wadsworth. And so there will also be continuing it on into the next day. So at the kickoff on December 7th, you can go through and stop at the pavilion and have some snacks, and then head on downtown and continue your really hometown Christmas. I think that will be terrific. So we don't have any amount of trees that we can sell. We appreciate Lowe's being able to do this. And we have plans for the future. We're going to really count and make sure that this is something that the community is interested in. And each year we can make it bigger and better. We have some ideas for that. But for right now, this is what we're going to do. And it can be an organization like a drama club, or as I mentioned, Lions Club or Rotary Club, anything like that. Or if you want to get your neighbors together. I heard there's a Partridge Family organization on Partridge, and so that could be another one. So you can use your imagination. You don't have to go out. There's no judging. You don't have to go out and purchase a whole big old bunch of ornaments and things, and you don't have to, if you don't want to be creative to make it a theme tree, you can certainly just put bulbs on it and we'll stick your sign in. Yeah. So that date is that we're going to set up. I better look at that again. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. Okay. So the decoration dates are December 1st through the 5th. Okay, so we will have the trees up and ready to go, and you can decorate any time after that. And during that time. So the kickoff celebration is December 7th, 5 to 7, and that will also be the lighting. Then the drive-through, you can go through any time from December 7th through January 1st, and the lighting will be 5 to 9 during the week or 5 to 10 on the weekends. And then we're going to ask you to have, after your decorated tree is done for spreading joy that season, we're going to ask you to tear that down anytime between December 4th. And here's a really great idea as well, is that the City of Wadsworth is going to chip all the trees for their landscaping. So we're going to make this a win-win for everybody, and we're just hoping that we'll get a lot of participation and that it will really bring a lot of joy to your holiday season. What do you think?
Yes, absolutely.
Yep.
Please.
Ho, ho, ho. And there's those jingle bells again.
Woo-hoo.
Okay. Thank you.
You are watching WCTV, Wadsworth Community Television.